You plant it once and forget about watering backhand index pointing down. No daily routine. No checking the soil every morning. No stress about overwatering or drying out. And still, you get fresh green onions at home. Let me show you everything step by step, because this method looks simple, but it completely changes how easy growing greens can be. First, take a regular 1.5L plastic bottle. Cut it into 2 parts. The bottom part will hold water. The top part will hold soil and onions. Now take the top half, flip it upside down, and insert it into the bottom part. So now you have a simple 2-level system. Next, the key element, backhand index pointing down. Take a long strip of fabric. It can be cotton, an old t-shirt, or any material that absorbs water well. Place one end of the strip into the bottom part, where the water will be, and the other end into the top part. This strip connects water and soil. It works like a wick. What does that mean? It slowly pulls water upward from the bottom into the soil. So instead of watering from above, the plant gets moisture from below, exactly when it needs it. Not too much, not too little. Perfect balance. This is why you can literally plant and forget. Now pour some water into the bottom part. Important! The fabric must touch the water. If it doesn't, the system won't work. You don't need a lot of water, just enough to keep the strip wet. Now add soil into the top part. Make sure the fabric is inside the soil, not pressed to the side. It should go through the soil, so moisture spreads evenly. Use loose, light soil. Roots need air, not just water. Now it's time to plant the onions. Take small onion bulbs. Even ones that already started sprouting work perfectly. Place them close to each other. You can plant them densely. Green onions grow upward, not sideways. Don't bury them too deep. Leave the tops slightly visible. And now you're done. No complicated setup. No special tools. Just a bottle, fabric, soil, and onions. What happens next? Backhand index pointing down. The fabric slowly pulls water up. The soil stays evenly moist. Roots always have access to water. And you don't need to water from above at all. Just check from time to time. Is there still water at the bottom? If yes, everything is working. If not, just add a little. That's it. Place your setup somewhere bright. A windowsill is perfect. Light affects how strong, green, and juicy your onions will be. After a few days, you'll see green shoots. After about a week, they grow taller. After 1 to 2 weeks, you already have your first harvest. And here's the best part, backhand index pointing down. You can cut them. Not pull, just cut the green part. Leave the bulbs in place, and they will grow again. Light bulb, this is how you can get super fast repeated harvests. Cut the greens. Leave the bulbs, and new green onions will grow again, much faster than the first time. So from one planting, you get multiple harvests, fresh greens again and again. This means heavy check mark, no need to replant. Heavy check mark, no need to buy more. Heavy check mark, constant fresh supply at home. A few extra tips. Don't overfill water. Roots shouldn't sit in water. Don't let it dry completely. Use light soil. Give enough light. And now the final moment, backhand index pointing down. You take those fresh green onions, cut them straight into your salad, crispy, juicy, full of real flavor. This is the taste you don't get from store-bought greens. Simple idea, almost zero effort, and fresh green onions anytime you want. Save this and try seedling.